Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 19th January 2026. Tata Motors is calling on the government for targeted incentives to make electric vehicles more accessible to consumers. They are also advocating for electric vehicles utilized by fleets to receive backing under the Prime Minister e-Drive initiative. This request arises as budget-friendly EVs encounter market challenges while fleet EVs, which are heavily utilized, remain ineligible for support. The upcoming Union Budget for 2026-27 is expected to prioritize medium-term debt consolidation while maintaining a strong push for capital expenditure. ICRA projects a fiscal deficit of 4.3% of GDP with a significant increase in capital spending to Rs 13.1 trillion, aiming to front-load infrastructure development before future fiscal rigidities. Market participants have urged the government to ease capital market taxation ahead of the Union Budget for 2026-27, calling for a higher exemption limit on long-term capital gains and restraint on any further increases in transaction taxes. Additionally, it called for allowing capital losses to be set off against income under other heads. Market participants have also cautioned against any further increase in transaction-related taxes. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to present the Union Budget on February 1st. OpenAI plans to begin testing advertising in ChatGPT in the coming weeks as it looks to have a diverse revenue model and expand access to its AI tools without increasing costs for users. The San Francisco-based startup said ads will initially be tested in the US for logged-in adults using the free version of ChatGPT and its low-cost subscription tier ChatGPT Go, which is being offered in India for free for a year. Reserve Bank of India has recognized the Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India or FEDI as a self-regulatory organization or SRO for all authorized dealers under its omnibus framework for SROs. As an SRO, FEDI will play a key role in setting standards, promoting best practices, and ensuring compliance among authorized dealers operating in the foreign exchange market, subject to RBI's overall regulatory oversight. The recognition of FEDI as an SRO marks a significant step in strengthening self-regulation in India's foreign exchange market. Automobile exports from India rose 24% in 2025, driven by robust demand for cars, two-wheelers and commercial vehicles in the overseas markets, as per the latest SIAM data. Overall exports last year raised to 63,25,211 units as against 50,98,474 units in the 2024 calendar year, up 24.1%. Passenger vehicle exports rose to 8,63,233 units, up 16% as compared with 7,43,977 units in 2024. SIAM noted that the demand has been steady across most markets, including in the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.